We are going to the grocery store to buy foods that we need for our dinner tonight. We are eating gumbo. Now I want you to be on your best behavior and no tantrums. First, we need bell peppers. Mom, this store has one of the Gears toys that I really want badly. It is the Wacky Factory set. Can I please have it? No. Why? Because we only came to the grocery store to get foods that we need for our gumbo tonight, not to get toys for little douchebags. This is also because you're still grounded and you're too old for Gears toys. You are 10 years old and you will turn 11 years old very soon, so you don't deserve it ever. But this toy has a choking hazard label saying this toy is not for children under 3 years. I don't care. Just because a toy has a choking hazard label doesn't mean it's age appropriate. Mom, I want this toy so bad. Billy, stop acting up. You are now making a scene. Either deal with it or get grounded and let me whip your ass with a belt. I want the toy now. Okay, that's it, mister. I'm taking your stupid ass out of the store. No, I'm sorry. I want another chance. Nope, too late. Let go, you stupid harlot. Let go. Let me out. Let me out. No, you're not getting out of the car. Billy, your behavior was totally unacceptable in there. But Mom, I do not want to hear it. You had a really bad tantrum for not having a Gears toy. When we get home, you will be grounded big time. You are grounded for 1 million days, and I'm not taking you back to the grocery store ever again.